Alright, dude, that was pretty epic. I'm gonna have to... That was an awesome takeoff. Alright, so we got Cabo out there to our right, kind of 2 o'clock.
Nice.
Coming altitude with us. Sweet, we'll cross under so you can see kind of all what the jet looks like airborne.
Wow, man.
Alright, we're going to do an aileron roll, then I'm going to have you do an aileron roll, okay? So
Yes,
here we go. Put my nose up.
Yikes.
Alright, you want to try that?
Not yet. You can go do the next one.
Alright, here comes some G's. Alright, not bad. Here comes some G's to the right.